along and join me as we put together Polar Bear Park. Good afternoon, everyone. In today's video, we're gonna decorate my credenza. In my dining room, we're gonna make it out of a polar bear part. So I've cleaned it off, and now what I'm gonna do is add the snow. Okay, so what I've done here, I've added like the blanket of snow. Okay, so what we've added now is the large polar bear, the smaller polar bear, and the tree in the back. Okay, now what I've went in and added the little snowballs all around the polar bear. Okay, so now what we have are 3 trees that we have added. I like these trees more than I like the other that had the 3 together. So I removed them from here because I'm going to use them somewhere else. But the 3 trees I have decided on the ones with the little, look like pearls on them. So that's what we have. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start going in and adding our little polar bears to the park. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna go in and add the little polar bears and let them start skating around the park. So I have these in all different little shapes and so on. So what we'll do is just place them all over the park and let them go skating. And then we'll be finished with the polar bear park. Okay, everyone, Polar Bear Park is now open. We have all the baby bears all riding around the park. They on sleds and they have skis, and they just out here having a great time at the Polar Bear Park. And you have Mommy Bear over here watching the babies, and then you have Papa Bear watching over them too. So that is how easy it is to put together a small polar bear skating park for your kids. And I've done this for my grandkids. And on each side, I have added a candle holder that I've put snow in, and also I've added a little polar bear in each one of the candle holders. I hope I have given you some ideas on putting together a polar bear park. I want to thank the design family for joining in with me today on putting together this park. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. I want to also thank you for your continued support, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you, and we'll be seeing you in the next video.